out, Fuego. Tried to get Fuego, Cody.
Hey, Mike.
Not this stuff you didn't forget.
This time it was him.
He threw his voice. The front row got tridented.
Sage might want to lay low for a while.
Say what you will about Sage, that is an impressive wingspan. Adventure time.
And making his way to the ring, Pitfall!
Finally free of the spell of the mask adorned on him by Namor Sage. The Piranha mask is gone.
Pitfall Jones is back, and he's looking fedorable. And this Atlean Trench match, one of the oldest wrestling stipulation matches in history, has officially begun. Pat Patterson won the first ever Intercontinental Championship in an Atlean Trench match.
Incredible. I have it on VHS tape training. It was great back in the day.
Bruno Sammartino won the WWF title in an Atlean Trench match. Oh, wait a minute. He's got an Island Cane.
Oh, swings wildly, but Namor Sage smartly gets out of the way.
Sage hightailing it as Pitfall Jones is stalking his prey. Jones.
Pitfall unaware he himself is being stalked at this very moment.
The numbers game instantly coming into play. Oh. Thanks for coming, Piranha. And Namor Sage taking advantage of the distraction and sends Jones right into the Island Steel.
Namor Sage done the Pitfall back in the ring.
I mean, as everybody knows, an Atlean Trench match can only end in the ring. Sage right to the midsection. Again.
Namor Sage is teeing off with those kicks.
Sir Kicks a lot, is feeling it. Namor Sage taking a moment to let the fans here know what they think.
Oh, but the King Piranha with that strand of seaweed choking the life out of Pitfall Jones.
And the referee can only suggest that he stop. Oh, come on.
He's biting him. He's biting him.
Anything can happen in an Atlean Trench match.
Oh, Pitfall showing what he learned as his time as a Piranha.
It was worse than his bark, but Namor Sage takes advantage of the distraction. Snapmares Jones over. Kick right to the spine. Ouch.
Sage.
Bucket of tricks. Aw. Throwing the seaweed at him.
Desperation. Pitfall Jones is whipping that seaweed. What?
Is he gonna drown Pitfall Jones? Namor Sage is sitting.
I'm gonna kill you!
Oh shit! He's trying to drown him.
Are you allowed to kill people in Atlean Trench matches?
It's all legal.
Wow. Pitfall Jones smartly fighting out.
That's what happened to Ryback.
Reaching into that. What does he have there? Is that a fish? I think that's Sage's cousin.
That fish has a family.
Yeah, Sage.
A fish uppercut. Kick his ass, Seabass.
Just slapping him in the face with that flounder.
I think it's safe to say that Namor Sage has found Nemo. As Jones, he lost Nemo.
Hey, that was a flying fish.
Takes advantage of that scoop slam. Pitfall Jones calls him up for another.
Abuya, right in the center of the ring. And the PhD is in full control.
Catches the kick. What a dragging screw he's still holding. What is Jones thinking?
Hey, little mermaid! Hold on to your potatoes!
Oh!
And just mashing the potatoes. As the
Classic. Yes, indeed. It's almost cliche at this point. The King Piranha fighting off Pitfall Jones, trying to prevent him from grabbing that second fish.
Remember Bob Backlund started that channel? This Atlantean Trench match continues as, oh no, wait, Pitfall Jones is in a bad place. No, Namor Sage. Sage, don't do it. Sage.
Oh, he's giving him the island swirly.
It's all legal in an Atlantean Trench match. Pitfall Jones. I think Jones might be out. I think Jones might be dead.
He drowned him. He drowned him. Pitfall Jones looks like he's actually making his way out of the bucket.
Still moving, thankfully, but how much does Jones have left?
Ew.
Damage has been done.
Pitfall vomiting up that water.
Oh no, now Namor Sage catching the kendo stick. Swing it up. Ooh. No.
Oh. Just laying into the back of Pitfall Jones.
I think he's done, Beak.
No, sir.
Oh, the deep sea D-bag. He's feeling himself now.
Using that seaweed cane to choke the life out of Pitfall Jones.
I think the fans' chant may have just worsened things as Sage is now pissed.
Like that guy could be any crankier.
Wait a minute. Sage's like a salmon here.
Douchebag in a hygienic Clarence, I take it as a compliment.
With a light Russian leg sweep, Pitfall Jones might be done for. You know something wrong there. Every once in a while we all believe. Oh no, another fish!
Another flying fish. Watch out back there.
Namor Sage stalking his prey once again. Pitfall Jones turns around just to get sent to the floor. Atlantean Trench match.
Nasty.
Living up to the hype as the other Piranha taking advantage. It's all legal.
Nothing referee Devon Campbell can do about it, unfortunately.
It's true. Everyone remembers the time Hulk Hogan body slammed Andre the Giant in the Atlantean Trench match. Classic. Jones with a headbutt.
Oh! Teeing off on both members of this Piranha pairing.
Right in the gills. Oh, the Pitfall Jones.
The Atlantean a-hole, Namor Sage.
Jones is fighting as a 2-on-1 here. Jones took his eyes off the prize as Namor Sage is looking to end things.
Oh, drop kick to the drape.
I think that's it. That's got to be one.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Devon Campbell says it's only a 2. Namor Sage trying to keep his composure here.
Fighting through canes, through fish, through buckets of water.
Typical Atlantean Trench match.
Things are getting weird, man.
Namor Sage barking orders at his last piranha.
What else do they have in mind here?
Well, I think we're about to find out. Oh, shit.
Oh, looks like we got ourselves an island door.
Oh,
it's got island seashells. Sage sells seashells by the seashore.
things are not looking good for Pitfall Jones.
Looks like this Atlean Trench match may end in Namor Sage's favor.
Good for PFJ.
Yes, sir.
They set him for the ride, but Jones counters it. Sage counters the counter. Pitfall counters the counter, the counter. He counters the counter, the counter, the counter. Nicely done by Jones.
Rolls through. Boulder time.
Only a 2 count there. As Namor Sage got the shoulder up at the last second possible in this Atlean Trench match continues.
This may go down in the annals as one of the greatest Atlean Trench matches of all time, Cody.
I think so. Oh, wait a minute. Pitfall. He's got that satchel.
Much like Felix, he's reaching into his bag of tricks.
And we have more island seashells. Things have just taken a turn for the dangerous as Pitfall Jones is looking. Is he looking for a suplex?
It appears so, Cody. Hooking him up here.
No, Namor Sage fights out of it. Oh, no, Sage!
Looking for a human suplex right onto those shells.
Neither combatant want to go for the ride. I do not blame them. Oh, but Jones!
Is he gonna hit it?
Oh no, Namor Sage out of the way.
Oh!
Single S spine buster. 1, 2, 3. Are you kidding me? Jones kicks out.
There is still life in Pitfall Jones. And Sage is incredulous. He can't believe it.
Jones is moving, but can he continue to fight? The lights are on. Is anybody home?
Well, he just ate a foot, so that didn't help matters whatsoever.
Wait a minute. Look at the dive.
You can see the life fading out of Pitfall Jones.
Look at the center of the show.
Let Sage know what he thinks of him.
As the Piranha once again digging under the ring. Oh, he's got an island chair. And he's not done.
No, looking for more plunder here.
You never know what you're going to find under a ring here on the island.
Another island chair.
That actually might be a vending chair.
Not this time.
Watch out. Come on, leave Devon alone.
He's a nice boy.
He's a sweet boy. That's what we call him, Sweet Boy Devon.
Sage and the Piranha constructed themselves a makeshift island table.
But Jones, he's still got some gas left in the tank. Or he did. He didn't.
For a second there, it looked like they took too much time and Pitfall was going to fight out, but no, the numbers gave too much to the PhD.
And that door is covered in starfish. Hopefully none of them are chocolate.
You keep rolling, dude.
They're looking to break stuff here as Jones gets sent up for the... Jones unmasked the Piranha! He just broke the spell!
Man, that Piranha's handsome. Sage still trying to order this Piranha around the King Piranha and having none of it.
A little retribution! That Piranha's been under a spell for months and months! Breaking the code. Pitfall Jones lying in wait, takes Sage up!
DVD!
Hooks the leg! One!
And here's your winner, Pitfall Jones!
You couldn't write a better ending, Cody.
Not only has that last Piranha been freed from the spell, Namor Sage got sent through a door and Pitfall Jones stands victorious here at When Nature Calls. Jones.
Pitfall saying this belongs in a